Friends, do you want to learn spoken English and you are searching ways how shall you will start spoken English? Then you can follow our channel. We are uploading videos regularly and this channel will be very helpful for you to learn spoken English. First of all, I hope all of you are well and doing well in your life and you are practicing your spoken English regularly. And those who are new to our channel, you can follow our channel regularly. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, you subscribe our channel. Nowadays, learning spoken English becoming easier because you can see that there are lots of spoken English apps also which help us to learn our spoken English. And I also searched for this type of some spoken English apps and I found Supernova app, and I hope this app will help you because it guides you in your native language and it translates from your native language to your English language. And if you make any kind of mistakes, it will help you to improve your mistakes to correct, and that is why I shall recommend you can follow this app, Supernova AI app, and it will help you to learn spoken English. But the thing is that it is not free, you have to buy it, and at first it is costing 9 rupees per month, and I hope it is very minimum charges and you can bear this charge to learn your desired spoken English language, and I hope it will be very helpful. And there are some other apps also, and if you can find, you can follow those apps also, which I followed. That this app is quite good and it can be helpful for new or beginners, those who are trying to learn spoken English from beginning. It will be very helpful for those. So that is why, friends, you can follow these apps. And there are some other apps also which also apply charges, and you can search and you can follow those apps also. But the main thing is that you have to speak it out, friends. After your regular spoken practice, you will be able to get your spoken English desired result. Otherwise, spoken practice we shall not be able enough to get our spoken English fluency, because anything we achieve through our regular practice. For an example, I hope you know riding bicycle. I'm sure that you have not learned riding bicycle after reading so many pages. You have got this bicycle learning by practicing regularly. You must have fallen once or twice, and you must have got some scratches also in your hand and in your legs also to get the bicycle riding skills. The main thing is that to get anything new, you have to practice regularly. After your regular practice, you will be able to get that. So like bicycle riding skill, you have to practice spoken English to get spoken English fluency. And I know at the time of spoken English fluency, you must make some mistakes, grammatical mistakes also. Mistakes are very common in our life. It will come in our way, but we should not stop, because stopping is not an answer, and stopping means you are not trying, and whenever you will stop trying means you lose. So we don't want to be a loser, we want to be a winner. And to win anything new or achieve anything, we have to practice regularly. I know it will take some times, but if you follow regularly, if you do regularly, you will definitely win. Because you can see there are lots of examples, those who are successful in this present day, once they have also started from zero, and because of their consistency, because of their regular practice, and because of their learning from mistakes, they are now successful. And that is why this is the process of learning anything in any field. So friends, don't afraid about making mistakes. Making mistakes is very common, and we everyone do this, okay? But the main thing is that regularity, consistency, and keep going on. After your regular practice, you will be able enough to get your spoken English fluency. So don't stop, friends, and don't think too much about your mistakes, but you must get lessons from your mistakes and try to correct those ones and keep your going on. And I hope you will definitely get your spoken English fluency one day, but you have to keep it on. So friends, we shall be with another videos very soon. Till then, be happy, be healthy, and keep trying. Thank you.